Hi. So in this module, we will learn how to use AI to create classroom activities and to design meaningful projects. So with the help of AI, you can generate more unique activities for your classrooms. And also, there is a need to move from passive learning to active doing. So in classroom, we also need students to brainstorm on specific topics. We also want to create some interdisciplinary projects. We also want in classroom to have a collaborative work. And the fourth one is to create some kinesthetic activities. Kinesthetic activity means where some movement is involved inside the classroom. So the benefit of these activities is it helps learner to retain things for a longer period of time, as well as it makes them feel engaged. So suppose you want to teach a topic of magnetism, you can ask AI to create some kinesthetic activities and see if it works well or not. Another example was solar system. I remember instead of just drawing a diagram, we can pick people from the classroom. It's a very pet example that picking students from the classroom, someone is acting as a sun, someone acting as a moon, and one child revolving around the other. So by doing some movement based activities in school will help retain this concept. This is the prompt. Let's try this prompt and generate some kinesthetic activities. So I am going to ChatGPT and I posted suggest 3 kinesthetic activities to teach this topic. Let's say which topic? Let's say magnetism to grade level 9th or 8th. Let's see the output. Okay, so it has given me 3 activities. Why I have asked for 3? So that you can read and you can feel which one should be used and which others to be avoided. So you can read these and you can feel and you can select one. So dividing students into groups, labeling them, one is a magnet. It's a nice activity. So it is saying every student will be either iron, plastic, wood, this and one will be magnet. So few people will move closer and few will move away. So in standard like 6 to 8, this activity will be useful. So that is how you can use AI to generate classroom activities. Now you have this activity. Take any abstract concept from your subject and use this prompt how to teach this topic in a classroom engagement or using some kinesthetic or a physical movement. And before moving to the next video, submit your responses. In the next video, we will see how to create projects.